Hey everyone, it's Wesley here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to cook kimchi fried rice.
The first step is to cook some rice. I'm not going to show you guys how to cook rice. Duh. Next is to cut some garlic and chop some onions. You need one each. When you chop the onion, you can either have it sliced or diced. It's up to you. And you will also need some luncheon meat. Any brand of luncheon meat is fine. Just cut them into little dices. Luncheon meat gives an extra flavoring to the dish, so I strongly suggest it. And now for the main ingredient, kimchi. Remember to cut the kimchi into small bits so that it can spread out evenly on the rice. If you guys watched my first video, you can see me cutting it just by using a pair of scissors. So yeah, if you haven't watched it, please go watch it. Next is to heat up 2 tablespoons of oil. So just a tip guys, make sure the oil is sizzling before you put anything in to cook. You don't need too much oil for this dish because luncheon meat is actually fat and contains fat oil, just like my tummy. When the oil starts sizzling, pour the diced luncheon meat in and fry it till it's kind of red and brownish. You want it to reach this color because it's gonna taste a little bit crispy on the outside but soft on the inside. Look at that diced meat. Yum yum. This is the color you want on your luncheon meat. Next, add in the onion and garlic and fry them up together. You want to stir fry these 3 things together for about 3 to 4 minutes or until the onion and garlic turns brownish. This is because when it turns brownish, the taste of onion and garlic gets spreaded out to all your luncheon meat and it generally tastes better. Oops. Please ignore the mess on the stove. I will clean it after this video. You want everything to have a brownish color. Just smell that. Can you guys smell it? Haha, no you can't. Right, let's move on. So eggs give the dish a flavor that I just can't describe, but it's actually important. So next is to beat 2 eggs into the middle of the pan.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Sorry guys, bad example. You guys can do better than this.
Ew.
Now, stir the eggs in the middle until the yolk is evenly spread, then mix everything together. Try not to let the egg stain on your pan for too long as it gets burnt easily. And yeah, that's about done. So now you can get your cooked rice and add it to the pan full of delicious ingredients that I taught you guys. You don't want your rice to be too sticky, so you gotta watch the amount of water you put in. Otherwise you'll be making kimchi rice ball instead of kimchi fried rice. Alright, now add the kimchi in. You can just pour it in the middle because you're gonna fry everything later anyway. I like to add just 1 circle of soy sauce every time to prevent my hair from falling off so fast. Next, you add 2 spoons of gochujang onto it. You can buy this from any Asian supermarket. For those of you who don't know what gochujang is, go Google it. I like to add some sesame oil because it makes the rice smell better. Roughly 1 tablespoon is fine. And now, for the best part. Mix everything together. Fry like you never fried before, as I know most of you can't cook. Be sure to mix everything and also make sure all the rice are evenly covered in the same color. Next, you can serve it on a plate, nice and hot.
Yum, 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 yum.
You can actually add flavored seaweed because flavored seaweed actually brings this dish up a notch. And yeah, this is how you make kimchi fried rice. Everything takes less than half an hour. Oh, almost forgot. You can also add an extra egg on the top to make your dish look nicer. Presentation is also important for a dish, even if it is as simple as this one.
哇哇哇 ！OK OK OK， 终于可以讲华语了。OK， 如果你喜欢我影片的话，记得按赞、订阅、分享。不喜欢的话，没事，开心就好。我们下个影片见。